morning, you guys. Headed into the office. It's my first time in the office in 2 weeks, I think. We had, as y'all can see, a bunch of snow. Last week we got like 10 inches. So I was able to work from home all last week, and then we were able to work from home yesterday because we were supposed to get more snow, and it snowed but nothing stuck. I was hoping we would be able to still work from home today because I only go in, I work from home Mondays, Thursdays, and Friday. Ray's calling me. Hello? Alright, I'm back. Ray was looking for a missing water bottle. The boys are headed to school. We were able to work from home yesterday. We were supposed to get more snow, but we didn't. I was hoping they would still let us work from home today. But yeah, so on my way in, freezing. And even in the summers, our office is chilly. So when it's like for real cold outside, it's always even colder in the office. So yeah, not looking forward to being in the cold office today. But I wanted to pick up the camera, y'all. I had been vlogging here and there, but like I would vlog a day and then like not pick it up again for a few days, and then it just wasn't making sense because like days would go by in between different clips. So I'm going to be intentional this week, even though ain't nothing going on this week. It would have been cool because last week we was all at home. The boys didn't have school. I could have vlogged like the snow coming down and everything, but didn't. But yeah, I wanted to pick it up. But yeah, y'all, let me get to work safely. I'm headed home. Little after 11, making myself a acai bowl. Get back to my desk. Work is going good. Waiting on a mechanic to get here. Y'all, we've been having some problems with Ray's car. Saturday, was that Saturday? Yeah, Saturday it was leaking power steering fluid. Mechanic came on Monday. Was that Saturday? Yeah, it was Saturday. Church was canceled for Sunday the 25th. And so we had church Saturday the 24th. We went out there and there's power steering fluid leaking, like there was a pool of it in front of the car. So I took my car to church, called the mechanic, and he came out, and then it got fixed Monday the 2nd. Yeah, so it got fixed Monday, and then Trey actually had a doctor's appointment Monday. Everything was fine. This morning, Ray went to take them to the bus because we still got all that snow out there. There was power steering fluid all over the driveway again. The mechanic should be back here soon. He said 11, so he should be here shortly. Took it to a shop and they quoted like $1,200. We got it towed last week. They were talking about $1,200. Made some calls, and the mechanic, I guess some family members have been using for some years, called him. He said he can do it for like $800. So he came out and fixed it. He was out there for about 3 hours, fixed it, and everything was going good. And yeah, So Ray hit him up this morning. He said he'll come out today. So hopefully he's able to fix it. But yeah, let me eat and get back to work and show y'all my book. We have granola, bananas, acai, chia seeds, coconut shavings, and blueberries. All right, the mechanic is back. Hopefully make it fixed. I'm now off work. Doing some walking now. I have not been to the gym in a couple weeks since we've been getting all this snow, but I try to still get my steps in. I still get my steps in the house. I'm reading my Kindle. I'm reading book 8 of the Reverend Curtis Black series. It's I think the other day I called it urban fiction, but it's actually considered Christian fiction. Alright, I forgot to update y'all. Ray just left. The car is fixed. So yeah, car is fixed and we didn't have to pay any extra. So apparently it was 2 pipes that needed to be replaced. Only one of them was replaced last week. It's about 6:45. I'm making my dinner. I'm having tofu, carrots, and broccoli. This tofu is from a couple days ago. I'm just having the rest of it. And I use the Real Mates Montreal steak seasoning. I like this. And then I got a game on. UC's playing at 7, so I'm already showered and stuff. Like I'm ready to go to bed. Yeah. Let me show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see from there. That's it. My dinner. Hello. Yeah. Come on, guys. Oh my gosh. We tried. Y'all, we was up by like 14 at one point. I don't know how that happened. Look, y'all. Snowing again. We haven't even recovered from the big snow that we got a couple weeks ago. Working. It just hit 10. Kind of busy for a Friday, but yeah, that should help the work day go by fast. But yeah, a lot of work to do. So it is still coming down, y'all. I just got an email from the school. They said, hey, we are aware of the snow coming down. It looks like it's forecasted to end around 12, so that should give crews time to clear the roads. If you want to come pick up your kids early, it will be excused. I guess maybe some parents called or emailed or something about early dismissal or something. I don't know, but yeah. I didn't know it was supposed to snow today. So, yeah. And crazy thing is, school was closed on Tuesday because it was supposed to snow. And it did, but nothing stuck at all. Today would have been a day for them to close school. Good thing is, so the boys' bus, it picks them up right by that house over there. But the last couple weeks, and I think the bus driver did this last year too. They had a different bus driver last year, but she's been dropping them off right in front of the house, so I don't have to walk in the street or anything like that. Oh, Ray's up meeting. Put this little in the dryer. It's pretty, but those footprints right there, this is not her. So these are cats. All right, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, lady.
My time while I was out. Well, it's just me here.
Let's do 1 minute. Whew. Oh man. Hey, Tom. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm gonna go take a shower and then relax the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. I promise I'm gonna try to be more consistent with the vlogging. And yeah, thank you for watching.